In order to open your data file, you need to click on SPSS icon. When you open SPSS in different version, there is a different way to open the SPSS. In version 26, you will have to see this window where your recent files and new files data are available to open, and you can open it from here. However, if you wish to, or if you have another file, then you can conveniently close it and go for the file open data, and here another window is open which indicates a files of type. So there are several types of files, and the name of the data file may be varied in accordance with your data. So all data files created in the SPSS for Windows or Mac data editors are followed by a period and then SAV or ZSAV. So since we have a we have a file for it work with SPSS, demo file, demo for it work with SPSS. So we are going there and click it. But before that, we need to understand that when you are going to open, so you have to look in where your file is located. My file is located in desktop, and move up to the next highest folder or disk drive, and then there are the disk or different folders are there. Here is the file name, and this is the file of type. So just click open. So here is your data, and you can toggle between data editor from Command T or Control T with Command T or Control T. And now you have different variables views in your data view and variable views. So it defines everything. This is the name, this is the type of that data, what sort of the data is it, and there are different type of the data, numeric, comma, dot, etc., which we have discussed in our earlier chapter. This is the width and the decimal, how much decimal you wish to add. This is the label, which is text, and you can label your variable, because here you cannot write full name, so therefore you for the clarity you can write in the label, and there this is the value. For example, if you are asking for the marital status, that 0 is for unmarried and 1 for the married, and if you write here 0, that is for unmarried, and click it or add it, and 1 for married, enter or add, and this is okay. So this is how you can enter different various labels. This is missing value. If you have a missing value, as we have the missing value in internet, and we have given the discrete missing values from 8.000 to 9.000. So this has been given. If you wish to give if you have a missing data, so you can allot a missing value so that it can be separated from your main data. This is the column. There's a align, if you would like to align with right, left, or right or left, whatever you think suits you. And in the same analogy, and similarly, this is very important. This is about the measurement. You need to understand the scale, that the variable containing what sort of whether it is categorical, ordinal, or nominal. Scale, age is since a scale, because you can scale it, and it's the same in analogy. There are the different categories of income category of the different categories, so it would be the ordinal, and others are the scales. And the last column is about the role, whether this is input or it can be target. If you wish to make it target, or it is both input and target, or it's none, or partition, or split. What sort of the role this variable will play in your statistical analysis. So this is about the window of data editor. We will further see that what other windows are available in SPSS. So stay tuned. Thank you.